In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glass art. This is how the mesh looks like. I have used an array modifier and a simple deform modifier. The base mesh was an ellipse curve, and it was beveled. This is the base mesh, and it was converted from a beveled curve object. If you don't see ellipse in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please turn this curve into 3D, otherwise we can't move any curve points on the Z-axis. Please use the proportional editing feature. Please remember to add an empty object and use that empty object as the anchor object for the array modifier like this. The array looks like this, because I have modified the empty object's rotation. After that I added the simple deform modifier. This was the glass material, and I have used the sky texture as the scene's environment light. Here are my scene's composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.